Welcome back to my channel. If you are here to find fall inspo, I upload videos like this every single week, so you guys should definitely hit subscribe if you haven't already. I would absolutely love to have you. Today, we're going to transform this into 5 different really popular Pinterest outfits. Oh my god, I have my Invisalign in. Let me take these out. Much better. I've been seeing a lot of people create Pinterest outfits on their channels and stuff like that. I think it's a really cool concept. I think I'm going to bring it up a notch and rank them into categories of A, is it comfy? B, do I feel good in it? Like, do I like it? And then wearability. Is it realistic to wear out, especially in the fall right now? So I've divided it into 5 different aesthetics, and we are gonna go from there. It's kind of wild like how many times one outfit could be recreated and shown up on Pinterest. Not necessarily like it's a bad thing, but it's just so crazy how I've been seeing the same thing over and over and over again until you start noticing a pattern. It's almost like each type of style almost has a uniform. But that's 2020 for you, that's social media for you. We're gonna get to it and I'm gonna tell you guys what I think. So let's start with number 1. As you guys can tell, the first look is Cottage Core. Cottage Core was so popular over the summer. It basically means it's like a Snow White, Disney princess, but make it 2020 type of look. I'm sure you guys have seen so much of it. It's literally all over my Pinterest. I may add that I did a lot of looks like this over the summer because it's just so pretty, it's so delicate, it's so feminine. Here I'm wearing this dress that I got on my trip to Hawaii last year, as well as, you guys know it, just a little simple thrifted headscarf, as well as a thrifted straw bag. I'm also pairing it with some fall boots. I feel like at Cottage Core, they just go barefoot, to be honest. So yeah, that is definitely the vibe here. Would I say this is wearable for every day? I definitely would give it a 2.5 out of 5 in terms of wearability. I live in Toronto, Canada. I can't wear stuff like this for much longer. It's a lot. Wearing a dress is a lot for me, especially right now. Second category is comfort, and I would say that the dress I'm in currently is pretty comfortable, so I'm gonna give this a 3.5 out of 5. And then the last one I'm gonna be talking about is my personal style. Is it something that I would personally wear based on just what I dress every day? I would give this a 3 out of 5 as well, just because I feel if I went out like this, it'd be absolutely no problem. I look like myself, but at the same time, the scarf, in real life, I'm always ooh, I don't know, is this a lot? I don't know. Okay guys, this is the next look. I'm gonna call this the jeans and Jordans look. I don't know what type of girl this is or what type of aesthetic it is. If you guys know, let me know in the comment section below. But I would say that this is definitely the most true to my style. So I'm gonna give this one a 5 out of 5 in terms of how much it relates to my personal style. Comfort, I would give it a 4 out of 5, just because Jordans are notoriously known for being comfortable, and then also jeans being this baggy are also super comfy. And then also just for wearability out and about, I would give it a 5 out of 5. This look is so easy to attain. It's just that effortless cool girl style with the simple white tank top, the baggy jeans, as well as some sort of high top sneaker. It doesn't have to be a Jordan. It's just something that I've been seeing a lot, so much so that apparently these ones, these are the obsidians, I believe, and they're called the TikTok ones. Some people are just calling them that because they're all over TikTok. This tank I have here is from the Foundationals, and my jeans are from Princess Polly. So I find that this look is slightly flashy because you often see these girls wearing a designer bag and wearing a really dope pair of shoes, but it definitely doesn't have to be. You can easily get stuff that has the same vibe, but you don't necessarily need to spend a ton of money. Again, really easily thriftable, really good for that. I just love this because it's easy. I don't think this is ever going to go out of style. Also, the hair slicked back. I feel like this is definitely part of that look. Something just isn't right about this. I feel I got something wrong. Okay, so I think I got it right. Why does it feel wrong? Is this right? Do I need a hoop earring? Is that what it is? I put on a hoop earring. I feel this is is this right? Okay guys, this is my best effort for this schoolgirl aesthetic that is really popular right now. This is actually the outfit that inspired me to do like this entire video, because this just kept popping up over and over again, to the point where I thought it was like the same photo and they actually were different. All it entails is like a pleated little tennis skirt, a collared polo or like shirt, and then like an oversized crew neck. I've seen some girls wear this with docs, but most of them are doing like the whole gym sock and like sneaker trend, so I decided to match this with my AF1. You gotta have a mini bag. I feel like any like soft girl vibe has to have a mini bag. I don't know how my earring just like fell out. What? Okay, now we have one earring. Let's just like cover this bit with hair. Okay, so what I think about this outfit. How wearable is it? I think it depends on how old you are, to be honest. Like for myself, like I don't know if I could go out in this. Like I just feel like, for anyone who is wondering, I'm 27 years old and like this feels like a little bit like young for me, but like that's just my personal taste. Will I wear it? Like yeah, like I think it's cute, but like I don't see myself wearing this like every day. It's not like, oh, gotta pop on my tennis skirt now. Like it's not like, I don't know, but it's very cute. How I would wear a skirt like this myself personally, I probably would do a similar vibe with this except with a turtleneck, just because I feel like this makes it like feel a little bit costumey just on myself. Like I've seen other girls wear it and it looks really good. Yeah, like that's what it looks like. This would also look really good with a Chelsea boot. Yeah, definitely wearability. I would give this like, for myself, like a 2.5 out of 5. For comfort, it's actually really comfortable. The only thing you may have to worry about is your skirt flying up, so definitely wear a pair of shorts under it. So I would say like a 4 out of 5. And then like I think that's it. Are those all the ranks? I think that's pretty much it. If this is too costumey, like let me know, be honest with me. Like I don't know how to feel about this one, or is it something like I should do different variations of and make it super cute. Next look is like 2000s, like skater girl, I guess. And this look needs one more thing. It's almost done, except you gotta have the shoelace belt. That's all I've been seeing. I think you need like a bigger shoelace than this. I would say like that skater girl look. And I think I'm also like too old for this. Like, I don't know. Like, it's just like, I think the barrettes are just like a no. Like they're no for me, but I like love this on other people. It looks really cute once again. One other thing I have to say about this outfit, it's really cute. It's very much like that TikTok aesthetic that's happening right now. I'm gonna have to score it really low on the wearability. Brandy Melville is not very accessible for like a number of different reasons, obviously. And yeah, that's what just makes it not wearable. However, it is very thriftable. So if you can find things in your area that, or like on Depop or anything like that, to recreate these type of looks, you definitely can. But one thing I noticed on all my Pinterest pictures is every single girl who was doing this look had something from Brandy Melville. So do I like all these pieces separately? Absolutely, because I own them all. I didn't even realize that everything was from Brandy and that like I happen to own all these things until I put this look together. So yeah, like I am obsessed with this sweater. This is definitely something that can fit a lot of people, even though it is a one-size product. Like everybody I know, like in my family, like wears this hoodie and we love it. Can you find something similar at Walmart? Like absolutely. I'm gonna try to link a bunch of like things that are not Brandy, so that way you guys can attain this look, because obviously their size range is really crap. So this is the look. As close to my personal style, I'd probably give this like a 4 out of 5 because I'm wearing stuff like this all the time. It's really cute. I just don't know if I would wear this myself. Like I'd probably have worn this. I don't know. This is the next look. I guess it's like sweater vests and like that granny chic. I'm seeing this everywhere. I actually picked up the sweater vest in one of my thrift with me's that's really recent, so I'm gonna link that. It was $7. I really like this, and obviously I bought it because I think it has potential. A lot of girls have been wearing it just with oversized t-shirts underneath, along with a pair of either oversized denim or a pair of like cargo pants. I opted for the denim because I couldn't find my white Dickies, because I think that this would have looked really good. And then a mini bag. Like I feel like this is the vibe. I've been seeing it everywhere. This is it. I really like it for photos. I think that like something like this, like if I took a picture of just this, like I think that looks really cool. It looks almost like Korean style in a way. I think it's really simple, but I don't know if I'm into granny chic, guys. This is like this is a lot for me. maybe because I haven't left the house and actually gone to anywhere that's like an actual occasion, I haven't really dressed up. So something like this would be like a lot for me now. Wearability, like yeah, it's really wearable. A 3 out of 5, 3.5. Comfort level, super comfy. So I'll give this like a 4 out of 5. And then like as true as it's my personal style, I'd probably give it to like almost like a 1, just because like this vest thing, like I didn't know I would be back into this. Like this is cute though. Like let me know what you guys think. I don't know. Like I'm literally putting on all these different looks just because I'm a little bit unsure about a few of them, and this is so far from what I wear, but it's very, very cute. And like honestly, I'm probably gonna change my mind in like a week and love this. I wish mine had pockets. I feel like if I had pockets, it'd be on a different level. All right, guys, that is the end of today's video of me ranking popular Pinterest outfits and how I think that like they would suit me and stuff like that. Obviously, if this is your personal style, I don't mean like any offense to this. I think all these looks are really cool, which is why I picked them. I just don't know if they are like in line with my personal style. And also really makes you think about like how to find your own style. But that's it. Okay, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.